Hey guys, welcome to another video brought to you by Beats Media, and I just made my first sale on eBay. Let me show you guys what I sold. So as you can see, I have 17 listings and one sold. That is insane. So this is the total that I made up here, 87.84. I'm assuming some of that is going to go towards shipping. I sold my old Elgato and I listed it for $79.99, so I'm pretty happy with it. Now I'm gonna walk you guys through the shipping process. All right, so just have my box here. I have the actual item, and let's just put this in the box here. And it's a little bit of a lot of room in there, so we're gonna add some newspaper and such. Hopefully that will balance it out here. Bubble wrap here for the item. Keep it nice and safe. So there we have it. It is nice and packed. Not a lot of wiggling going on. So gonna bring it inside the house, tape it, and we're gonna go to USPS. Before we weigh it, I'm just gonna duct tape this box shut. Make sure nothing's getting on in there. And there we have it. So let's get the scale. We have the scale here. So we're just gonna weigh it, see what the final weight of the item is. All right, let's bring the camera over here. So 26.17. Let's enter that into the computer and get the shipping label. So we're in the car, we have the package to our right, and we're going to USPS. And we arrived. So this is the next day. I actually sold 2 more items here. Wow, look at all that snow. All right, so as I showed you guys a little bit earlier, I sold these 2 items. These 2 I sold together and I got for free. And this game I had from back in like middle school or high school. So didn't really spend anything on getting these items and making a decent profit. So let's pack these. There we go, nice and compact. It's not gonna go anywhere. You can get these DVD boxes from the USPS website. They're totally free and they give you bundles of like 10, 25, something like that. You just have to order them and they'll deliver it right to your house. So you just fold your own box and it gives you little crease marks. There we go, just like that. And there's that sticky part that you remove. So let me just remove the adhesive part. Make sure it's nice and tight. There we go. I think that's how you do it. Well, we'll see what happens out of that. So there you go. There you get some free boxes if you're trying to send DVD, games, anything like that. Now I'm not gonna show you guys the part where I go to the post office again because I already did that in this particular video. So let's get right to the profits. Obviously we're not going to the post office as a result of the weather, so just thought I'd point that out again. Guys, I just sold another game. That is insane. So I was just about to edit this video and I realized I never actually went through the sales number with you guys. So this week we sold 4 items. First we sold the Elgato for $79.99. Then we sold Toy Story 1 and 2 as a bundle for $3.99. Next we sold Dead or Alive 2 for $7.99. And lastly, at the end of the day, we sold the Xbox 360 version of Need for Speed for $2.99. Now I went through my Excel document indicating like how much shipping was, how much the PayPal and eBay fees were. So let me just go over those numbers with you guys. So for all of the items sold, my total was $94.96. The amount in PayPal fees, $4.54, and the final eBay fees altogether was $11.68. So at the end of the day, I took home $81.05, which isn't bad for not really having to pay for any of the items I sold. I also purchased some poly bags for when I decided to start shipping clothes, so that cost me $14.89. Altogether, my inventory cost me at this point $20.74, and my net profit at this point is $45.42, which isn't bad for my first week. We sold one big item, but it got hit with fees. That $79.99 item that I sold, I only took home $68.78. So keep that in mind if you decide to sell on eBay. A lot of the fees will get you. But hey, I'm $81 richer than I was before I started this, and all the items that I had was just collecting dust and I wasn't using any of it. So I decided that I'm gonna do a monthly what sold video because my inventory is still currently pretty small. As of recording this video, I only have 16 active listings right now. And I'm recording this on the evening of February 20th, which is a Wednesday. I only started this on Monday and was able to turn out $81.05 in net sales. So that's pretty good. Even though my profit currently is $45.42, that's because I spent some money on inventory. I spent some money on packing materials and that type of thing. So if you guys want to keep following this journey of my eBay business, feel free to subscribe. And if you would like to support this channel and this show, feel free to click on the eBay affiliate link. You could purchase anything, and within 24 hours of clicking that link, I will get a cut. I'm not too sure what the percentage is, but I'll definitely be sharing that with you guys while I continue my eBay series. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.